Many users face issues adding their own voice and creating AI-generated songs on Suno AI. Here's the solution. Step 1. Log in or sign up. First, log into your account. If you don't have one, sign up. It's quick and easy. Once logged in, go to the Create section, your main workspace for uploading, recording, and editing your voice to make AI-powered music. Step 2. Add your voice, click Upload Audio. You can either upload a pre-recorded clip from your device or record a new one using Suno AI's built-in recorder. When done, click the check mark to save your recording. Step 3. Upload and process. Click Upload one file to start the upload. Wait for it to process. Then rename your file for easy tracking. Hit Continue to move on. Step 4. Create your AI song. Find your uploaded track and click Extend. Add your lyrics, up to 3,000 characters. Choose a music style and give your track a title. When ready, click Extend again. Suno AI will generate your song in seconds. Step 5. Listen and refine. Your extended track will appear in the list. Click to preview it. If you're not happy, tweak the lyrics, switch the genre, or record again. Each time, the AI creates a new variation. Step 6. Fine-tune modify lyrics. Try new styles like pop, rock, or lo-fi, and test different versions until you find the one that fits your vision. Final thoughts. Suno AI makes creating music easy and fun. Use your own voice, experiment with lyrics and genres, and enjoy endless creative possibilities.